Hello guys, welcome to another episode. Always Mr. Big with you guys. Today we have a special video. I just wanted to make one today because I wasn't supposed to film. We replenished our stock. We got some cars in, some older Lexus and stuff like that, but we did get one car that's really interesting. Everybody's been talking about it on social media and stuff like that. This one was a donation. It's a clean title, and I'm not gonna stretch it out. It is a Mercury. It's a 04 Mercury Grand Marquis. And you guys know what that car is. It's an awesome car. It's an awesome car. I'm about to show you guys that car. We are still detailing it. We're basically it was donated, and it was just really dirty. And when we got it, there was like a lot of stuff in it, like first aid kit. I can't even start with how many things were there. Some flashlights, stuff like that. It looks like older people because inside is really clean, except they had like rubber mats and stuff. And then the trunk was full of. There's like 4 camping chairs that we ended up keeping, and 2 umbrellas and stuff, like a bunch of books and everything. So they just kind of like left it there. I guess they were older couple, whatever. It looks pretty clean, and it starts and drives. I was surprised because usually they have like a problem with like a fuel pump or something like that. So, but in any case, that car it's awesome. It's super soft. It only has like 65,000 miles. Let me show you guys real quick. We'll be opening this up here shortly. This is from our sponsors. Thank you guys. Look at this, guys. Gold color. Paint is a little bit faded on the hood. It is a Florida car. But this thing is like, he just vacuumed it here. Jeremiah was a detail guy, so he just vacuumed it. I mean, this thing, it hasn't been wiped down or anything, just vacuumed. Look at the seats. It's immaculate, you guys. It is 65,000 miles. Handle's a little dirty right here. We're gonna clean that up. The seats are, look, this is like your couch at home. Look at this. So it's a bench seat. So you can put the handles up. I mean, the seat itself here is so wide. You can literally sit 2 people here that are, if they're skinny enough, you can put 3 people regularly. But you can put 4 people if you're really skinny. You can put a lot of stuff in here. Spare is always over there because this is like one of them. Crown Victoria and Grand Marquis, they're the same. Their trunks are huge. Look at this thing. It's big. They eliminated the space because the spare usually would go on the bottom or in here. So you end up, this is like deeper trunk, so you can put like big boxes in here. So it's kind of smart by putting it here. It is a full-size spare, but it's up here, and so you have a deep trunk. So you can put like, even if you got plants that you bought from the store, you can put them in here. Show you under the hood. The wheels are okay. Tires are about, I don't know, 75%. So they're fairly, a Mercury Grand Marquis. Look at this. This thing is legit. Look at the motor, you guys. We got our little no-go boost. This guy doesn't work well. Something's wrong with it, but we use it to hook up to cars. We don't jump with it. We just jump with the little one. We use this one to put power into cars, and so we can put like windows down, and when the battery's dead. This battery's completely dead. So look at this motor, you guys. This is the famous V8. This is the easiest motor to work on. Everything's in the open. Look at this. This is crazy. Alternator, the belt. You guys probably saw a bunch of videos on this car about this motor and being able to work on it and changing everything. So this thing is really easily accessible to not even mechanically inclined people. Like, you can just change stuff just by whatever. So it's really easy to work on. Doesn't break a lot. It still runs and drives perfectly. I drove it around, and it seems to be okay. I'm just gonna put some fresh gas in it, drive it around a little bit more, and see what happens. Yeah, this thing is legit, you guys. Anyway, my battery decided to poop on me. Literally die, meaning die. Look at this grill, it's so nice and shiny, everything. So we got this car for, this was really cheap. I think we paid, I don't remember, it was like 700 bucks, 1,000 maybe, with all the fees and everything. So, you know, this thing is basically, you know, $4,500 all day. If you don't look at the paint, I mean, this is solid car, never been hit. Look at this side. Floor mats are perfect condition. There's some body stuff, like this is plastic, and it's a clean title, you guys. This is a donated vehicle, clean title. Look at this bench. I mean, this is nothing. Like, all you have to do is just vacuum it real good, which he did. I think he did this side, and that's it. I mean, this is, look at that. Look at this, legit, you guys. It has, I mean, every car does, usually, if they take care of it. But we can show you here real quick. Look at this, all original, where it came from, all the books, there's manuals, directions, all the scheduled maintenance guide. This thing is legit, you guys. There's some random bird poop right there. The heck. Such a nice car for the cost. You know, for it's inexpensive. You can literally drive this thing until 300,000-400,000 miles, and it's worry free. Yeah, so that's the story behind this car. Pretty easy flip, really quick. We're gonna detail it, finish detailing it, and just check mechanically what's wrong with it. The oil is good. I checked the oil level, the color, everything's good. Everything seems to be okay. Tires were just a little underinflated, which I pumped it up to the right PSI, and everything's fine. They're not losing air or anything. So this is gonna be I showed you guys the trunk already. Yeah, this thing is massive. So now we're gonna demonstrate the trunk size. Look at this. This guy ain't small. This guy ain't small.
Close it.
He's trying to get out. Perfect. So we can fit one guy like this and two more beside him.
A few more body parts.
No, don't say that. You mean car body parts? Yeah. Yeah, we don't do any of that stuff on the channel. This is a family-friendly channel. A remote, everything, keyless entry, stereo, all the heat, AC works, everything. He's starting to clean it, so we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna do a little product review for you guys right now. Let's see, there's a blade. Got my blade, little ghetto blade. It's like you're full of crap that doesn't work. Floor mats right there. I want to show you guys some product we have. So you guys, today we have a sponsor on this video. Somebody's in the video, as always, phone or people walking. So we have a sponsor, but I wanted to do a product review because it's not as much installation on this video, just the unboxing, but I'm gonna tell you about the quality of these items. This is for, you know how we do a lot of Subaru Foresters. So they sent us some parts for the Subaru Forester. So I got timing belt kit, and the timing belt looks really good, like OEM quality. It's even better. It's their own brand. And so we're gonna leave a link down below with their webpage, with their website. You can go and order parts for pretty much any car. They have a lot of, not exactly all the parts for all the cars, but most of the parts for any make and model. And the prices are really, look at this. There's even a tool. There's a little gasket right there. This is a water pump that comes in the kit. Look at this. This is OEM quality, you guys. But the prices are just like you would go to O'Reilly or AutoZone or any kind of auto parts store. This thing is legit looking. Look at this. Let me see. I'll open it up. I'm gonna unbox it for real. Can't see it. Look at this. Quality is, it looks just like any other parts store that you would go to and buy this. This is the whole timing belt kit. And then you got your tensioners. This is for a Subaru Forester, 2009 to 2013. So 09, 10, 11, 12, 13. All the pulleys. Look, they give you all the pulleys. There's like 3 in here. That's the timing belt, the whole kit, because when you remove it, you got that water pump. Then you have, there's a tensioner pulley right here, exactly like OEM. All the tools, everything's in there. Then because we had to request what we wanted, so this was one of the parts that we can actually install later on and do an install video. And this is a radiator for the same car. And the packaging is awesome. Look at it. This is legit, you guys. It's all just like a normal shipping would be with a radiator bought from Amazon or eBay, but their prices are pretty much the same. So everything's here. Quality is OEM quality, literally. There's nothing, you can't see anything, any kind of flaws in it. There's no cap for the radiator, so there's another door. Somebody's trying to get in. The cap, you use your own, and everything's on there. So basically, it's called A Premium. Their website is a-premium.com right there. You guys can see that. Yeah, right there. But I'm gonna leave all the link of this product here down in the description, and you guys can go check it out. Check out their website. Everything's available. Honda, old Hondas like 98, it's there. So good prices, very fair prices, and the shipping was like 2 days. You know, we're in South Carolina, so it was like 2 day shipping, which is normal. That was regular shipping. If you want to overnight, I think you can have an option to overnight it. But that's the products that we got right now, and we're gonna make a video of us installing it next time, because the car isn't ready just yet, and so we need to make sure that we install. You know, once we install it and have it running, we'll show you guys. But quality is just OEM, you know, except the price is great. So you guys go check him out. Okay, you guys, thank you for watching unboxing video. Short little video for you guys. Those products are really good. Check those guys out. The Grand Marquis is gonna be done, detailed today, and basically, you know, I'll drive it around and see if it's mechanically okay. It seems to be okay. I'll put some gas in it and it should be all fine. Maybe do an oil change, but if there's something major, we'll have the mechanic take care of it. But I think it's okay. So it's gonna go on the market right away. Got my beard back right here. Starts growing. This thing is like insane. I shaved it already like 5 times since I shaved the big one. It's growing out fast, so I might just leave it short. Got the fresh cut as always. Thank you for watching, you guys. We'll catch you on the next one. God bless you and your family.